Let's take a deep dive look at what we're using for homeschool high school biology, 9th grade. It is Apologia, Exploring Creation with Biology. It comes with the answers of the tests and the tests in separate books. It is definitely a faith-based curriculum, definitely has a creationist perspective, and also has a different perspective on evolution. Some of the topics that it covers: the science of life, the chemistry of life, ecology, cell structure, cellular energy, DNA, cell cycle, evolution, genetics, fungi, plant diversity, reproduction, various animals. This is an example of what one of their experiments look like. So most of the labs are relatively accessible, but if you don't have the money for lab materials, they actually offer a multimedia companion video for doing them digitally. I would say that is a very typical textbook to what I was exposed to both in college and high school, except for the faith aspect. And it is not written in like the typical dry way. It is written first person, even though it is just like basically a textbook. It's not our first choice, but it is what we are using through my daughter's co-op, which is where she'll be doing all of the labs with 30 of her pals, and she's very excited about that. It's also very vocabulary focused, which I like because we are getting ready for SATs, ACTs coming up soon. So having that heavy vocabulary is going to be very beneficial. Outside of the labs, the text itself is very student-led and so can be done almost completely independently. But I definitely think it's going to take some getting used to this year since we are used to a totally different curriculum, having used Monarch for Science for probably the last 5 years. I'd love to hear what you guys are using for biology this year. Leave a comment below and let me know. And that is Apologia Biology.